So very soon indeed, we are going to be seeing a free spin in this shot. The go-karts are on borrowed time, and they have already been announced to be removed because obviously we're getting a Batman clone from SNS. It's the 40 free spin, just a standard one, but obviously it's a really good fit, and I think it's going to be fantastic. There are some markers on the floor. Not sure if they were there already because I haven't been here for 9 months. It's almost 9 months, 8.5 months. But yeah, so they're probably going to pull that little divot in the gate back in, and obviously the go-karts are going to get either put to another park or scrapped or something like that. Maybe they'll go to Magic Mountain for spare parts, things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. It's going to be a really good addition to the park. Nothing original obviously, but the queue is going to be indoors, which I'm really looking forward to. They're going to have AC hopefully. And it'll really give the park a chance to really show off what they can do with theming. And like I said, I've ridden the one at New England, and it's actually really good. I didn't get a chance to do the intense side because I didn't know there was an intense side until after. But even then, the mild side was pretty good. And so it's very relatable because everything is always going to be different. There you go. But yeah, hopefully then this becomes the Flash in 2020, and we'll pretty much have the entire area complete. You'll have a big Wally Burger, Batman, Harley Quinn, Superman, Wonder Woman, the Joker, Flash. Maybe even Cyborg or something. I don't know. You just had to restart the car and pull the cable to get the engine to start. They stall pretty frequently. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to celebrate the barely remarkable life of the go-karts. A completely generic legend of upchargy expander. I don't know what I'm saying. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us bow our heads and honor it. Bring on the brief spin. Go-karts make disappearance. Upcharging, stopping every 5 seconds for something stupid.
Literally. No, my cousin's pissed. He's like, they're getting rid of the go-karts.
Go-karts
like,
stalling every 5 minutes.
He's like, I want the go-karts.
I mean, you could go to Boomers. Or you could go to K1 Speed, which actually...
Driven Raceway.
Yeah. Let me put it this way. On K1 Speed, you can hurt yourself pretty bad. Somebody ended up under another go-kart.